Hello. So today let's talk about Talahridaya Marma and how it can be stimulated and its various uses. So Talahridaya Marma is situated right beneath the knuckle bone of the middle finger, where the knuckle bone ends and the fleshy region of the palm begins. So this is where the Talahridaya Marma of the hand is. So it is there on both the hands. So there are various uses that are associated with Talahridaya Marma. One is circulation of the upper region of the body. So Talahridaya Marma helps in circulation of the entire upper half of the body, specifically the mind and the chest. And also, since it's located on the arm, it also helps in circulation in the entire arm. So it can be used in cases where there is a lack of circulation in the body, and this really helps in that condition. Since it helps in circulation, it can also be used to mitigate the problems related to hypertension or hypotension. So in case of hypertension, we would stimulate the Talahridaya Marma of the left hand, and in case of hypotension, we would stimulate it on the right hand. So to locate Talahridaya Marma, we would trace the finger, middle finger, till the end of the knuckle, and where the knuckle ends and the soft region of the palm begins, this is where the Talahridaya Marma is. So it can be stimulated by the tip of the thumb, giving gentle pressure in this area rhythmically 18 times, and the pressure would be in a rhythmic manner. So we press it, release it, press it, release it, press it, release it. This is how it is to be done on both the hands if you want to balance the circulation in the entire body. And one thing to be kept in mind here is that since we are dealing with circulation here, it also helps in calming the mind. So people who have issues of anxiety, anxiousness or restlessness, it really helps in that condition.